Alright, what's good? Today I'm going to show y'all how to put puddle lights in your brand new Q50. I'm just going to show y'all right now. Alright, let's get into it.
You get a flathead screwdriver, right? You put this in here and try to like prick it out.
Yeah, you have to get a flathead screwdriver and try to pop it out. Be really gentle, you don't want to crack your thing. That's the housing right there.
That's the OEM one.
For the one.
Also, there's a little switch right here where you have to press a button.
So like, there's gonna be a button right there.
It's right here.
You're just gonna go ahead and pop that open. All right, so we just got it off right now. It's a little bit difficult, but you just push down the pin right there.
I mean, depends on each car, because my car is pretty easy.
Yeah, you just push down on the pin and then just bring it out. And you take your aftermarket one, and you're just gonna kind of push it in there. And it should just kind of clip in there. As you can see, it's working. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and just pop it back in, and it should be good. That's all it is. Yeah, you can see it right there. Maybe I'll capture it better in the nighttime, but you can kind of see it on my hand. Same thing with the other side. You just come over here, push it in, and just pop it down. Be gentle, otherwise it will.
I don't want to fuck it up.
It will break it, but yeah, it's pretty easy. Same shit. Pop it open, and then just install the other one. That's it. Alright, we're gonna show you guys what it looks like in the nighttime now. These are the results. Pretty good for only like 10 bucks. Pretty easy. That's it. I appreciate y'all watching. That's it. That's easy, quick video on how to install those puddle lights. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.